Country Forest and Real Estate. Standing one of my listings today. We're in the southern end of Pasquotank County, Weeksville, North Carolina. Harvest Pointe subdivision, Maya Court. If you're not familiar with the area, I thought I might take a few minutes and just kind of give you a virtual tour of not only the subdivision here, but also what the Elizabeth City area has to offer. Let's go take a look. The Harvest Pointe subdivision is actually located on the Newbegun Creek. One of the things you've got access to right here as a property owner is the boat dock behind me, as well as the boat ramp. It's a very hot, humid day in the middle of the summer as I'm videotaping this, but you never know that based on the breeze that's coming off the water. One of the beautiful things about the Albemarle area is the access that you've got to the water. Water sports abound for everybody. The next stop on our tour is going to be the downtown area. We'll take a look at some of the eateries as well as the downtown waterfront area. We're in the heart of the downtown Elizabeth City area. We're in Palin's Alley, and although it seems pretty quiet right now, just a few short hours in the evening, this place is definitely going to come alive. You've got Ghost Harbor Brewing Company, one of the best microbrews in the world, as well as Hoppin' John's New South Cuisine. In fact, a lot of the locally owned eateries here in the Elizabeth City area are absolutely fantastic. You get Big Boss Burrito right around the corner, Montero's. In fact, one of my personal favorites is the Sweet Easy. Best chocolate chip cookies in the world, and try to prove me wrong on that one. There's always something going on, some cultural activities in the downtown area, like First Friday art walks. We're just a few short blocks from the waterfront area. In fact, and anything you can't find here in the Elizabeth City area is just a short drive up to the Outer Banks or to the Hampton Roads metro area. If you want more information specifically about the area or how I can help you relocate here, give me a ring. My name is Chris Whiters of United Country Forest and Real Estate, 252-312-2263. Welcome home.